You talk about a heifer calf here that make a junior project. Look at the disposition here, Alan.
Yes, sir. She comes from the wagon over there.
Dan Mineski and Chatham gets that last good heifer, you betcha.
Great heifer. We came back to the bear. We were on the field 7 years. She was a Zulu master daughter. There, Debbie on the bottom side. Birth weight was 100 pounds.
Pretty good heifer, big, aren't you? Oh yeah.
Right now these days. Just an exceptional female for a group now. She's going to take her home to breed her. She's going to have a kid. Maybe at this age, that's that calf right now. Next year.
I tell you what, if you need a junior heifer for your kids or the grandkids, take a look here. Talk about disposition. I'm telling you, on her, lot number 9, 2,000 on her. How many would have been able to 2,000? How many would have been 1,000 on her? How many would have been able to 8, 9, 1,000? How many would have been able to 1,000? How many would have been able to 1,000? So, 1,000 on her. How many would have been able to 1,000? How many would have been able to 1,000? Listen to your last chance today, and a heifer that maybe doesn't have quite the condition on her that some of the other heifers have, but I tell you what, you can certainly appreciate the length of body, the smoothness to this heifer, and I tell you what, you just give her a little time and a little groceries. Here's a female that grew up to be a producer. I had the opportunity to see her mama. I tell you what, here's one that'll make a great producer when she's done. And again, you want to show heifer. Look at here. Look at this young lady doing a fantastic job. I think her heifer's worth more money. $1,000 on it.